the final fight. The local militia has all of the packages. Op 4 is trying their last push to take them away, with only 2 minutes left to evac. One minute before you need to leave here to head to the evac with your packages. It is, but you'll still have to go to the evac zone to... Yeah, you still need to go to the evac zone with your whistle and all the packages and the evac envelope to read the instructions. Oh. Okay. Well. Okay. Sweet.
Alright. Yeah, David! Hold back! Prepare for rounds! Everyone! David! Get back!
Oh, I gotta get this. You're gonna slam it hard too.
Yeah, alright. Ready for rounds? John! Go back.
The CO2's in there, right? We filled it up, right? Try to fill it up a little bit more then, so that the
Guys, Jimmy, come in. I'll be back. Yeah, get ready for the guys, we're about to go to the
We got through the seal, there wasn't CO2. We got through the seal, there wasn't CO2.
Yeah, full
Okay.
back now! Awesome. Let's go, Aaron! Come on, Aaron, let's move. Cover him, guys. What? He looks kind of like he's not under attack. Alright, what's the time? 45 seconds.
evac time, evac time. Game over! Game over! Head to the front! Game over!
And we will take our victory.
Make sure when you get up to the front, explain how you were able to pull it off, because they were certain you had to come back.
I like how discreetly it was just like put out there. Nobody was like even like noticing it. I just casually walked up and was like, oh.
Game over! Game over! Game over! Game over! Game over! Game over!
We did. Yeah, we did whistle. Yeah, you had to whistle. Emphasis on had. Don't see.
Oh, this is awesome! Please.
Yeah, exactly. And you knew this was a sack here. What did it say? Go home? Yeah, exactly. Go home, blow a whistle for it. Well, yeah, I like, because I was up here pulling the skirt, I walked back and I was like, hey, yeah, we forgot something. Ramen noodles are on the stove. We gotta go turn it off. And then you're gone, and I look over and the package is gone. The whistle is there, and I'm like, did anyone see them take that? And then that's when we knew, we were like, oh, we all just got fucked.
Oh my goodness!
Then Cooper comes down here and he's like, wait, you guys have the whistle, but they have the package. And so now we're sitting here like, what's going to happen? You guys are coming back for the whistle. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't find any intel.
I mean, about the golf ball, does that count?
Everyone, we are the militia.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's essentially how it always works. But that was great.
So how are you guys going to claim victory? Because you two were together, you're going to actually do the double cross, or are you going to collaborative?
He had us sitting here waiting for a shot. shopper that was never going to show up. I think he played his cards perfectly fine, and we got screwed.
So it is official.
We're sitting here waiting for a chopper.
No, it's over. It's done.
Okay.
It was well
To
played.
be fair, you were the last loser.
Do we have everybody out the field? Is everybody out the field? Game over!
She may have gone back.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna wait till a little bit later to get our stuff.
That was depressing in the last half.
Yeah. That was intense.
I knew it. So was that in one of the other intel packages?
Yeah.
That was on the packet that was right there.
That one?
Yeah, it was right on top of it.
Oh, so there were multiple whistles. Oh, because when we found it earlier, there was just a baseball whistle.
Wait, those were the packages?
What? Show them the packages.
Y'all just kind of got. Here's one.
Yeah, you pretty much got.
We held down the base. We got something to be proud of.
Well, you pretty much murdered Turtle, so you got what you had coming to you.
That's honestly why it actually all happened. I was always planning to kind of shift over and do that, but that gave me the perfect opportunity. I know, and that's how I went.
Yeah, that's kind of interesting because I'm pretty sure your CO and XO left for a while.
Yeah,
They did.
But then we kind of took over.
They did have an emergency though. They did apologize. So you know.
Life
We're
happens.
like, screw it. Let's go all defense.
That was, hey, the battle all the way over there was
That was
awesome.
intense. That was great.
Us shooting you guys when you were dead was awesome.
That felt awesome.
When you were dead.
Well, I think you kind of came out and you were like,
Yeah, that was cool. That was really cool.
Really like suspicious movement. You kind of backpedaled and I was like, oh. I think you saw us all posted up, like looking at.
Yeah, I'm looking up and like,
Solid shit.
Oh, yeah.
Your tongue protocol is great.
If we could, let's get off the field real quick and let's do an AR with all the XO and COs only. I mean, there's just too many of us to do AR individually, but the XO and COs, I'd like for you guys to do ARs for your respective groups.
And how is that going to work for our group since our COs and everything?
Nominate somebody. Nominate 2 people.
Alright, everyone, clear your weapons, make your way off the field.
Hey, did the militia ever have an extra
He'll be fine. Hey,
I appointed Sam, but I don't know what happened from there.
We swapped XO
Okay.
like 5 times because we won't live.
Hey, Junior, come here, boss. I got some boys. Oh, yeah. Ready? Oh, hey, a grenade. Oh, hey, a grenade.
Sweet.
Set it off?
No. Let's save it for a rainy day.
Yo.
Hey.
Okay, you're going to see why you don't shoot me when I'm on your team.
Oh. He's got a 203 in the end.
I told you.
Smile.
What happened?
Freeze it down! What?
Move your hand.
Fire!
That was cute. He's like, oh no, I'm gonna get punished.
Good game, though.